Welcome everyone in today's video. In this video, we will discuss about information about honeybee. So let's get right into the video. Honeybees play a crucial role in our ecosystem and have a significant impact on food production. Their importance in pollination makes them an essential component of maintaining biodiversity and supporting agricultural systems worldwide. Here's some information about honeybees. Species. The honeybee, scientifically known as Apis mellifera, is the most common species of bee used for honey production and pollination. Colony structure. Honeybees are social insects that live in colonies. A typical colony consists of a single queen bee, thousands of female worker bees, and a few hundred male drones. Queen bee. The queen bee is the mother of all the bees in the colony. She is larger in size and has a distinct elongated abdomen. Her main role is to lay eggs, and she can lay up to 1,500 eggs per day. Worker bees. Worker bees are infertile female bees responsible for various tasks within the colony. They build and maintain the hive, gather nectar and pollen, nurse the brood, and defend the hive. Worker bees undergo different roles as they age, starting as nurse bees and progressing to foragers. Drones. Drones are male bees whose primary function is to mate with the queen. They are larger than worker bees but do not have stingers. Drones do not gather nectar or pollen or participate in other hive activities. Hive and comb. Honeybees construct intricate hexagonal wax structures called combs. These combs serve as storage for honey, pollen, and brood. The combs are organized into frames within a hive, which provides protection and shelter for the colony. Communication. Honeybees communicate with each other through a complex system of chemical signals, touch, and movements. They perform waggle dances to indicate the direction and distance of a food source to other bees in the colony. Pollination. Honeybees are vital for pollinating flowering plants, including many crops that humans rely on for food production. As bees visit flowers to collect nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from male flower parts to female flower parts, enabling fertilization and fruit production. Honey production. Honeybees convert nectar, a sugary liquid collected from flowers, into honey. They store honey in the combs as a food source for the colony, especially during winter when fewer flowers are available. Beekeepers harvest surplus honey from the hives for human consumption. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the like and subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week. Thanks for watching.